mas naging comfortable ako with my own skin once na tanggap ko who I really am.
Alright guys, welcome to my podcast. I'm Chris from My Town, New York, and this month, we're celebrating Women's Month. This day, I'm with the lovely and super woman of New York.
Hi guys, I'm Fatima F. Hi, I'm Tessa. I'm from My Town, New York.
So ready na ba kayo sa challenge na to?
Yeah, hindi kami ready.
Ready!
Of course, ready, no?
Okay, so let's start with Miss Universe 2019 question. So what is the most important thing we should teach young girls or our young co-townies today?
Live your life to the fullest. Huwag niyo manadalin kasi dati gusto ko nang tumanda para magawa ko lahat ng gusto ko. Kasi pag bata ka pa, parang yung magulang mo, tututulang niya lahat ng mga desisyon mo sa buhay. Pero na-realize ko, dapat pala hindi lahat ng decision nakaasa sa magulang. Think mo yung future mo, tapos huwag mo madaliin yung oras na meron ka kasi ang sarap maging bata. Mas maganda rin na mas bata ka, mas explore mo na yung ano yung gusto mo sa buhay. Mas maganda kung mas maaga mo siyang malalaman, para hindi pa iba-iba yung decision mo.
Ma-advise ko for young girls is to always be themselves. Kasi you have to prioritize yourself. You have to do whatever you want, whatever you love. And makukuha mo yun if you prioritize yourself and be yourself. I think mas comfortable ako right now nung inaccept ko kung ano talaga ako. Mas naging comfortable ako with my own skin once na tanggap ko who I really am.
Generation nowadays, parang they're all accepting than the previous generation. Or ngayon parang normal na sa atin yung dark skin, di ba? Before parang gusto natin magpaputi lagi, ganyan. But now, we're adapting to ano talagang meron tayo. Like, we don't care kung curly hair ka. We don't care anymore if you're dark skin or moreno.